It is the reason that people stick around until the end of a wedding reception. Let's be real. No, it's not the chicken dance. It's the cake. And here to discuss some of the current wedding cake trends is Alexis Pasquale and Kiko Lewis from Rolling in Dough Bakery. Welcome, ladies.
Hi, thanks for having us.
You guys are really magicians. I was telling them I've been to their bakery before. What you do is unbelievable. Let's talk about wedding cake trends. What are we seeing this year?
You know, the most popular thing that's in right now is definitely textures, whether it's, you know, spatula lines or giving like a rustic feel, maybe even like a naked cake where the cake is exposed. That's definitely what is popular right now.
We're taking a look at some of those lines, and you're talking about very intricate designs like diagonals, and you're straight across, and it's a clean look, but still adding some dimension to it, right?
Exactly, yeah.
As far as the flowers go, is that something that you're seeing a lot of still, or is...
You know, fresh florals is definitely the best way to go, but the faux flowers have definitely been popular. It's more affordable for the budget brides, and it actually still looks just as elegant as fresh flowers.
It helps all our out-of-town brides too that can't find their florist just quite yet because they're, you know, planning from so far away. So they go get their faux flowers and they send them to us.
It looks just as good. Now that's very traditional. They're very, very clean, very beautiful. Let's talk about some of the non-traditional cakes. These are really cool. Can you tell us about these?
Yeah, so the moody look is definitely in for the fall season right now, with pops of color and ombre, different shades, and you know, typically instead of doing the traditional white cake, the colors actually add more pop to the room. So everything in the room might be very white and classic, but the cake is the last pop that everybody notices.
It becomes part of the decor,
right?
It is.
That is really pretty. Now, are we still eating or saving the top part of the cake to celebrate the 1-year anniversary?
Yes, a lot of times, a lot of our couples still save the top tier, but you might want to consider just, you know, coming over to the bakery again and we make you a fresh one.
Yeah, that's a good idea, because I did the 1-year thing, and
how is it?
Frozen. It wasn't great. It wasn't great, but it was still cake, so I ate it anyway. Let's take a lesson in piping, because I see what you guys do. You make it look so easy. So I want to see if it really is as easy as you guys make it look.
Yeah,
okay?
I mean, you know, it's basically a pivot. So the more pressure you put at the top of the bag will give you the amount of icing you want to put on the cupcake.
Like Friends, like pivot, pivot.
Yeah.
So like just
squeeze from the top. Yeah.
Show me first.
Okay, let me show you first. So all the pressure is at the top of the bag.
Okay.
And then just squeeze from the top, and then just pivot. And that'll be your iced cupcake.
Oh my gosh!
You can do it.
You made that
I have
beautiful.
Full face. You've got it.
Okay, we're gonna give this a try. Pivot, pivot, pivot. Look at that!
Oh, there you go. See? Natural.
You guys want to hire me now, don't you?
Yeah.
You want to hire me. And then can we add a little bling to the top?
Yeah.
Just a little.
Gold is definitely a popular color.
Is that what you're seeing right now for colors right now?
For sure.
Oh my God. If people want to order a cake for Rolling in Dough, how do they get in touch with you guys?
Well, there's multiple different ways, either, you know, through our email at info@rollingindoughbakerylv.com
or our website.
Yep, our website, or even on our social media platforms of Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah, and I highly recommend not just wedding cakes, but their cinnamon rolls. They're delicious. So thank you, ladies, for joining us. I'm going to send it over to you, Jillian.